There it is. Neptune, bluest planet in the solar system. And that black hole, the great dark spot. Going in. Ow, ow, ow. Diamonds. Real diamonds hitting my face. How did I end up here? Let me explain. Neptune, windiest planet ever. 2,000 kilometers per hour, 5 times a hurricane. This suit handles 100,000 atmospheres. Let's test that. Whoa! I'm being blown away. This isn't wind, this is a wall. Okay, ride it like a wave. Surfing Neptune. Didn't expect that. What is that? That rock just vanished. The great dark spot. Earth-sized. It's eating everything. Wait. I'm being pulled in. No, no, no. Full power. Is something moving in there? Come on. I'm out. Never. Again. 2,000 kilometers down. No light. 100,000 atmospheres. Wait. Something sparkling. No way. Diamonds. Falling like rain. This is insane. They're hitting my helmet. Ting, ting, ting. Big one. Dodge. This is Mario Kart, but everything is money. Let me grab one. Ow. 5,000 degrees. Cooling on. Try again. Got it. This is worth more than my house. Suited 40, 30, 20%. Going up through the diamond rain. 15%. Come on. Made it. Barely. Hands won't stop shaking. Almost died each time. But still got the diamond. $50. Worth it? Maybe. Do it again? No. Okay, maybe. Neptune. Wind, storm, diamond. All tried to kill me. Grab one anyway.